Hey guys, this video should help you figure out what you're supposed to do to turn in your science fair research. So if you go to your Google Classroom, you can see that there is an assignment here. This one has been corrected, but here is your template. So you'll just open that. And now it has opened here for us to look at. The first assignment is just your research. Now, there's not an actual section in the template for research because it is part of your introduction. You do not have to do all of your introduction now. That's not this deadline. Right now, all you're doing is research. So if you want to do that in complete sentences, that's fine. If you want to list your research in bullet points, that's fine too. And you can put it right here so that you have it right at your fingertips when it's time to turn it into an introduction. Now, what are you going to research? Well, that depends on what your topic is. For example, if you're going to do a project about plant growth, you'll want to do some research on the plant that you chose. You'll tell me why you chose that plant. Does it maybe grow really fast? What makes it a good plant to use for this project? And then you'll want to include things like how long it does take to grow. And then any things that you think might impact that. Say it likes this particular type of fertilizer, it needs lots of nitrogen, or just any of those things that might impact the growth of this particular plant. Okay, and then just anything else that might, again, affect your project. So you'll put those things right here in the introduction section, and then you can roll down to the very end where the bibliography section is. Because of course, if you're doing research, that means you're probably using the internet and you're probably checking websites. So you'll need to list those websites here. Tell me where you found your information. Now, of course, if you're using a book or a magazine, you'll want to cite those as well, but most likely you'll be using websites. That's fine. So then you'll need to go to one of these websites, either Citation Machine or EasyBib, either way. And this is exactly what we walked through in class. We'll go ahead and go there and talk about how to do that. You're going to be using MLA, so that's what you'll choose. Give it a second to catch up with us. It's not as fast as we are. There we go. So we'll put whatever website you're looking at here just for fun. Let us look for, we'll just look up why is grass green. Okay, why is grass green? We'll look at this website and we're going to take some research points from here. Okay, we'll take all our research points, blah, blah, blah. And then all we have to do to cite this source is we will highlight the search bar, which I don't think you can see in the screen, but we'll highlight it and we'll take it to our citation machine. We'll just copy and paste it right in there. This is the website we were just at. We'll tell it we're on a website. Oops, they want us to put it back in again. That's fine. And then we'll tell it to search. Okay, it will search all websites and goes, is this the one you wanted? Yep, it sure is. We'll select it. Okay, here's what they found. Yep, this is it. We'll go to the final step. Okay, here's all the information they were able to get. Now, of course, we want our citations to be as complete as possible, so let's go and look. They were not able to find any authors, so we will flip over to the website and see if we can find an author. Oh, look at this. Ben Mock, I guess, is the author of this. So we'll go back and put his information in here. Good old Ben. Okay, electronically published. They have all this other information. So the next hole we have is the published date. So we will flip back over to our website. Do we have a publishing date? Usually you're going to find out at the bottom. I don't see anything. Oh, here it is, February 20th, 2013. Sometimes you'll get lucky and it'll be right there. So let's see, February 20th. Let's see, date 20, February of 2013. Okay, now it's as complete as we can make it. We'll tell it to create our citation. There it is. Now all we have to do is copy it. And then we will paste it right into our paper. There it, oops, don't Sorry. Oops. Apparently it didn't quite copy from the other website. Hold on. I probably hit the wrong button. Let's go back and check it real quick. Highlight it, copy, and paste. There is our citation. So that's all you need to do for this particular section of the assignment. Do all your research, put it in here, and then cite all your sources, put it down there, then go back to the Google Classroom and tell it to turn it in, and you will be done with this section.